Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2019 Toyota Hilux and I'm going to show you the top 5 child safety features on this car, which I thought might be handy if you're either thinking of getting this car or you're about to start your family. For number 1, we'll start over the driver's side. So this button here is to inhibit all passenger electric windows. So when that's pressed in, only the driver can control the electric windows. To return to normal, just press it again. For number 2, we have the shift lock, which actually stops the shifter from being able to be knocked into reverse, neutral or drive when the engine is running. For number 3, we have the child locking system, which you just use that toggle switch for. So down is child lock on, up is child lock off. At number 4, we have pressure sensitive passenger airbags that if you've got a small child or a baby, which obviously isn't recommended, the airbags do turn off. And when you've got an adult in there, the airbags turn back on. And number 5, we have our ISOFIX child seat locking mounts, which you've got one there, one there. We've got our top latch goes through here, all the way to our anchor point here, and that's repeated on both sides of the rear seat. So there we go, that's my top 5 child safety features on a Toyota Hilux. If you found that video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.